In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the MOO virus on iPhone. Let's get started. In many cases, the issue can be resolved by resetting your device settings without deleting any of your personal data. So launch settings on your device. If screen is difficult to navigate, carefully use the search bar within settings and search for reset. Once you find the reset option, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then select reset. From the list of available options, choose reset all settings. Keep in mind that this will reset system settings such as Wi-Fi password, display preferences and network configurations, but it will not erase your photos, apps, messages or other personal data. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. Your device will take a few moments to restart and reload the default settings. Once your iPhone is back on, check to see if the unusual behavior has stopped. In most cases, resetting all settings is enough to remove any problematic shortcuts or configuration changes that may have been triggered. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.